So welcome to this brand new series on automation, and we'll start from basics and move to the advanced level. So if you don't know anything about automation or coding, this video is for you, and you just have to follow along. Also, in case you're in this journey, we already have a Skool community where there are a ton of users like you who are actually learning this automation and all. So in case you need a community support or need all these files that we are gonna make and share, so you can obviously join our Skool community. So let's start with the first video, which is the introduction. So we'll start here with one of the easiest softwares to learn for automation, which will be the make.com. So first you have to head over to the make.com, right? There are a ton of other things as well. Let's say Zapier and N10, right? But we'll cover that in grid series. So we'll start just with make.com. It's one of the easiest and also it's very cost effective. So once you have opened this make.com, head over to the get started for free. But as I've already logged in, what I can do here is first click on this button and you'll be taken over to the login page. And once you sign up with all those details, you'll be headed over to here, right? Okay. In case they're giving us 30-day pro, why not? Just head over to this and see, there are some basic things that you have to know, and that will be repeated time and again, right? Because you're learning automations, you'll be able to automate all your daily workflows and the repetitive tasks that you are currently doing. Let's say you are filling up a spreadsheet daily, or in case you want something to be triggered once you've received a WhatsApp message. So there are a ton of scenarios that can be made. So we'll start with the key terms first, right? So that you can be much more aware of this platform. First, we'll start with the scenario. So the scenario is, you can think of like a storyboard where you will write your own story, right? So once you click on this create scenario button, you'll head over to this blank page, right? Here you can create n different types of automations. So once you have done to the scenario, there'll be several different things that you are seeing here, right? And what you can see here is there are tons of different modules. So we'll just get familiar with a few, which is, let's say, these Google Sheets, Flow Control, OpenAI. So yeah, there you can add different types of modules. Let's say I click here, right? And I'll just show you how you can add more modules to this. So once you right click onto any blank part, you'll be headed over to this pop-up called add module, and you'll be able to search for apps. So there are tons of apps that developers have already created for you. So no need to worry about those things. Let's say we want a Google Sheet, or let's say we want to have any particular tool that they have created. So all these are considered as modules, right? So once you are done with this, let's see one more thing, which once you click, let's say we want trigger. So let's say, okay, so we have already fixed up this trigger that this scenario is being run every 15 minutes. But what if we want to just make it run once? So you'll click here and it will run automatically once or on demand. So if I save this on demand, so what it'll do, whenever I click this run once, then this module will, right? So the entire thing that if we can say is, so first you have created a scenario, right? In any scenario, there'll be modules. Let's say this is a module. And once you have connected all these modules one by one, let's say we'll see how to make other scenarios, but let's say you have connected module 1 to module 2. So both can share their things and there should be a starting point, and this starting point is called a trigger. Got it? So this is trigger. So it seems pretty easy. Like once you click on the trigger, the workflow will start. It will call module 1 and then it will call module 2. That's it. So more or less every automation is kind of same. You have to put on a trigger. You have to just stitch together a few modules and you're done. So how the data will flow, and so now in the next videos, we'll try to create some basic automations that will give you a bit fair idea of how make.com is working.